miles apart, two hearts beating strong, connected from the start. Through the highs and lows, we held on tight. In the darkest moments, you were my light. Miles and miles couldn't keep us away. Through the tears and smiles, we found our way. Now we've got a story written in the stars. Through the distance, we healed our scars. We made it through the storm, we fought the fight. Now we're standing here, everything's alright. With our little girl, a dream come true. I'm so thankful for the love in you. Every whispered word on the phone at night, every promise made kept our love in sight. Despite the differences, we found our way, building dreams together day by day. Miles and miles couldn't keep us away. Through the tears and smiles, we found our way. Now we've got a story written in the stars. Through the distance, we healed our scars. We made it through the storm, we fought the fight. Now we're standing here, everything's alright. With our little girl, a dream come true. I'm so thankful for the love in you. Now we're side by side, we've got a life to share. Through the ups and downs, we'll always care. Hand in hand, we'll face whatever comes. In this journey, we're forever one. We made it through the storm, we fought the fight. Now we're standing here, everything's alright. With our little girl, a dream come true. I'm so thankful for the love in you. The distance, we found our way. In each other's arms, we'll always stay. With our lovely daughter, a love so true. I'm forever thankful for me and you. Since the first time we met, you were the star in my sky. Through all the highs and lows, I can't let go. Moments come and they pass, but my love for you stays strong as the mountains high. We reach for the sky. I will always choose you, no matter what we face. From this moment till forever, you're my saving grace. We've walked through storms and rains, seen sunshine and the pain. Holding hands we'll get through, because I choose you. Years may come and they go, but our love only grows. Like a river to the sea, you're my destiny. I will always choose you, no matter what we face. From this moment till forever, you're my saving grace. We've walked through storms and rains, seen sunshine and the pain. Holding hands we'll get through, but our love only grows like a river to the sea. You're my destiny. I will always choose you, no matter what we face. From this moment till forever, you're my saving grace. We walk through storms and rains, sing sunshine and the pain. Holding hands we'll get through, because I choose yours. The tears have dried, the nights have passed. I've left behind the shadows cast. From the heartache and the pain, I found my strength to rise again. No longer lost in yesterday, I found the courage to walk away from the memories that held me tight. I'm stepping out into the light. I'm moving on, I'm healing strong. I've learned to love myself alone. The past is gone, a new day's dawn. I'm ready now to find my home. With open heart I face the sky, no longer afraid to fly. I'm ready now to fall again, to find a love that never ends. I've built my world on broken dreams, stitched together all the seams of a heart that's been through war. Now it's stronger than before. No more tears, no more pain. I've learned to dance in the rain. Every star a story told of a heart that's beautiful. I'm moving on, I'm healing strong. I've learned to love myself alone. The past is gone, a new day's dawn. I'm ready now to find my home. With open heart I face the sky, no longer afraid to fly. I'm ready now to fall again, to find a love that never ends. I took the time to know my soul, embrace the parts that made me whole. Now I see the beauty in my flaws. I'm ready to open all the doors. For every tear that fell in vain, I found the strength to love again, to find a love that's true and real, a love that only time can heal. I'm moving on, I'm healing strong. I've learned to love myself alone. The past is gone, a new day's dawn. I'm ready now to find my home. With open heart I face the sky, no longer afraid to fly. I'm ready now to fall again, to find a love that never ends. The past is just a memory, a part of my own history. I'm ready now to love again, with a heart that's free of pain. I found my strength, I found my way, and now I'm ready for a brand new day. I'm ready now to fall again, to find a love that never ends. I took the time to know my soul, embrace the parts that made me whole. Now I see the beauty in my thoughts. I'm ready to open all the doors. For every tear of pain, I found my strength, I found my way, and now I'm ready for a brand new day. I'm ready now to fall again, to find a love that never ends.
I've seen the pain in your eyes, the nights you can't disguise. all the dreams that slipped away, lost in the shadow of yesterday. But here I am, holding tight, trying to bring you back to life. Every tear you've cried, I've known. In this heart, you're never alone. I'll love you through the darkest nights, guide you when you lost your sight. Every storm that comes our way, I'll be there to chase it away. I'll be your shelter, your safe place. With every beat, my heart will trace the steps you take, the paths you roam. You'll always find your way back home. Scars you wear, they run deep, secrets that you always keep. I'll listen, I'll be here, whispering love to calm your fears. No more shadows, no more pain. I'll be your sunshine after rain. Every moment, every day, I'll help you find your way. I'll love you through the darkest nights, guide you when you lost your sight. Every storm that comes our way, I'll be there to chase it away. I'll be your shelter, your safe place. With every beat, my heart will trace the steps you take, the paths you roam. You'll always find your way back home. If I could take the hurt away, I'd do it without a delay. For every sigh, for every tear, I'd fight the battles, face the fear. In your smile, I find my strength. Go any distance, anywhere. See you happy, see you free is all that matters, all I need. I'll love you through the darkest nights, guide you when you lost your sight. Every storm that comes our way, I'll be there to chase it away. I'll be your shelter, your safe place. With every beat, my heart will trace the steps you take, the paths you roam. You'll always find your way back home. I love and I will tell you every day till you forget those things that hurt. I hate the things that make you hurt, and how I wish I could take them away. If only it could be done, I'll do it for sure. Do it for sure. I'll do it for sure. If only it could be